So very interesting curation of products this season. Yeah, it's very subpar, to be honest. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unsponsored FabFitFun review. And I purchased, well, I didn't purchase this, my sister purchased this for me because she bought me an annual subscription to FabFitFun for Christmas, December 2020. Oh, I also have a sticker that says your add-ons are inside because I did order one add-on that I am so excited to get. So let's just get into the box. As I open this up, I'll tell you the pricing. So for an annual subscription, it was $179.99. And if you go seasonally, you pay $50 a month. But honestly, IMO, annual is a way to go because you can pick 2 more customized choices in every single box. And that just makes every box so much more worth it. I already have my impression of this box going into it because I was able to make 5 choices. And I think they were kind of meh. And so let's get into it. Let me first show you the add-on, which is going to be the best thing in this entire box. And it is the Krave Beauty Great Barrier Relief Serum. What? This is originally $20 and it was available for add-on for $11. And I am so excited to test this out. I wouldn't really say the whole box is worth it just because I had the opportunity to add like Krave Beauty as an add-on for 45% off, but it is definitely a perk. And this was the only Krave Beauty item available as an option to add on. So if like the beach shield were on there, I would definitely, you guys know, I would buy sunscreen because I have a spending problem for sunscreens. Let me actually show you the items in order of choice. So like customization number 1, and I'll show you what I picked, and then number 2, so on and so forth. I will link my subscription addiction spoilers for this entire box so y'all can look through every single option if you're interested in that. But choice number 1, I got a UV sanitizer. So you can throw your phone in here or like hospital badges for my case or anything else that you touch a lot like car keys or something. And it is supposed to sanitize it by UV light. This has a claimed retail value of $60 and my main concern with buying this was whether or not it would fit my phone with a pop socket. And this pop socket is not coming off. It's not one of the ones that can just pop off. I've really tried. So I'll put it to the test now and see if this fits in there. It has a place for batteries, but it also has a charging cord. So I'll probably just plug this in to charge it. Moment of truth. Oh, well, that's disappointing, isn't it? Dang it! If anything, my husband-to-be can just use this for his phone because he doesn't have a pop socket, but that's annoying. You know, maybe I can still use this even if it doesn't completely snap closed because this whole silicone part is like open to vent. And so I think it might be okay still, even if it's open to crack because the light strip is like still contained. For customization number 2, I picked these slippers, and these have a claimed retail value of $48, which is absolute price inflation. Because like these kinds of slippers, you can literally buy from Target or even TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Ross or wherever you go for these kinds of things for like maybe $7, $8. But among the options, this is what I would consider like the most useful, like in terms of functionality. The other options were like a lunchbox, a brow brush kit, argan oil, which I don't use or need, an exercise ball, and a planner and lipstick. So among those, what I could use the most are slippers, I guess. So that's why I picked this. Yeah, and like the higher the customization, the more impressive and the most value these choices are supposed to have. So far, like these first 2 things they just ain't doing it for me. For customization number 3, I picked the Gloss Moderne hair mask, and this is an in-shower hair mask that you pretty much use as a conditioner and then you rinse it out after you shampoo and stuff. I picked this because again, it was like the most functional option. Not super enthralled with this or anything. It's just like something I will use eventually. The other options again, like there was an eye serum, which I have enough moisturizers to use as eye cream, a bucket hat, cheap like adjustable ring, no, and coasters. So I picked the hair mask. And let me just tell you right here that I don't think that this was a good box. I don't think this season's box was great. I don't know what happened this month because it feels like a bunch of things I could find from TJ Maxx for much, much cheaper than the claimed retail. The claimed price for this, by the way, is $55. If you are just a seasonal subscriber, those are all of the picks you could have done. Because I have an annual subscription, I was able to do 2 more. So for customization number 4, I picked the hair scarves. So let's whip these out and we can take a look at them. It comes in this cute little holding case, and within are actually, it's kind of sad that this is the product that I was most excited to get besides the add-on. So there's this really pretty like line drawing of flowers scarf pattern, and then a really simple cream color. And let me actually, do y'all like my dragon ear cuff, by the way? Because I always feel 10 times more confident anytime I wear it. And I'm also wearing, I'm also wearing the Misha Glitter Prism Shadow in Garden Prism as my highlighter today, and also kind of obsessed with that. So all in all, I'm pretty digging myself today. And let me try tying this around like that cottagecore thing. Oh my gosh, this is more difficult than it seems. Wow, this is a vibe, isn't it? Oh no, that is not my aesthetic. Well, okay, that could be my vibe. It doesn't exactly match the kind of Yakuza dragon ear cuff, but we're just gonna roll with it. Okay. Oh, okay, wow. The other options for customization 4 were a little acrylic makeup organizer I could get for $6 from TJ Maxx, a cleansing gel, a bar of soap, a body cream, and a papaya enzyme peel. The retail value for these is $30, again, grossly overpriced, but it is what it is. Let's move on to customization number 5. Customization 5 is again like a product that I'm wondering why was this included, but it's a trio of cocoa floss. So yeah, floss. And the retail value of this is $28. 28 doll hairs. When is the last time you spent anywhere a fraction of that on your floss? But hey, it's fancy floss, I guess. So it actually comes with this really nice frosted kind of packaging, and then there are 3 little rolls in here. The Oral-B floss in the blue packaging works just fine for me, but I actually just ran out of that floss, and I have been using those little free samples you get from the dentist, waiting for my FabFitFun box to come. So I was holding out on purchasing floss because I knew that I was getting this in the mail. They have these kind of tropical fruity scents, and then there's another one that's called Pure Strawberry, and then this one is Cara Orange. Oh, the first one was watermelon. Yeah, it does smell like watermelon. The other options for customization 5 included a dry body oil, which I hate the feel of oils on my body, a like mesh tote, which I have no use for, and I don't even think they look very good, and tweezers, and a pumice stone with aloe socks. So very interesting curation of products this season. Yeah, it's very subpar, to be honest. And then there are a few more items that FabFitFun picked for me. Some of them I got the best option, but I was kind of hoping for some other things. For FabFitFun's pick for the 6th item, I could have gotten flower hair clips, which is what I wanted, the hand scrub, brightening ampule, and that's it. So there are 3 options, and of the 3, I got the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. This is an oil, like an oil-based product, and it's blue because of blue tansy, which actually is pretty neat. So this is like the second best option for me. My first pick was actually those flower clips. I'll throw up a picture here because it reminded me so much of the flower clip that Orihime wears in Bleach, the anime, which probably only a small subset of my viewers will know that reference. But all in all, this is actually pretty good. It has spirulina and blue. Oh, my scarf slipped off. Okay, I just tied it into this little side bow. For product 7 out of the 8 in my box, the options are lip masks, a cactus sipper cup, and a body wash. So in all honesty, my preference probably would have been the body wash, just because organically in life, we go through body wash pretty regularly, but that's not what I got. I got these lip masks, so like the lip-shaped ones that, you know what these are. Again, this seems like a pretty cheap product. The claimed value of this is $16, and it is a pack of 4. Yeah, 4. Also, the claimed retail value of this serum is $38, which actually isn't that terrible. I was expecting a skincare product from a brand that I don't know in FabFitFun to be going for $65 or something like that. All right, and for option number 8, it was either between reusable beauty rounds or nail polish. In all honesty, I would have preferred nail polish, but I did not get that. I got these beauty rounds. I just did not win the luck of the draw this time. The heart of the cards were not with me, but that's okay, it happens. I don't pick these last products, so there's always a chance that I'm not gonna get the exact product I want. These are like the face halos or the e.l.f. like makeup removing pads. They're even like the makeup erasers, like those that pink towel that's supposed to take off your makeup. I actually don't use these because I oil cleanse and then use a water-based cleanser, and I don't dry my face after that. So I'm actually gonna keep these and probably throw these in a future giveaway for y'all. So not a total loss because I am getting something to throw into giveaway. And the claimed retail value of this is $15. The e.l.f. ones are more affordable than that, but it seems like a fair retail value to me. So just a quick review of everything I got in my box. I got this UV sanitizer for phones and other small items. These fuzzy slippers I will definitely get a lot of use of because my condo has hardwood floors, so it's always nice to have some plush slippers to walk around in. This hair mask, these hair scarves, this floss, this serum, these lip masks, and these makeup rounds. For $11, I added on the Krave Great Barrier Relief Serum. You see what I mean? This box for me was not a winner because, like I said, it seems like just a random assortment of TJ Maxx things. Like if someone was on a game show where they had 1 minute to grab things from the shelves and put together something, this is what would come out of it. Is this worth the $50? I would say this box isn't. I guess if I were to even buy these at TJ Maxx prices, the sum would be greater than $50, but like, I would not buy this. I would just buy some normal floss. I probably wouldn't buy a hair mask. I don't know. And like, these are the things most of these are the things I picked. And you can say like, oh, that's your fault. Like you picked them, but I picked the best option for me out of everything that was available. Again, you can check out that link in the description box so you can really see like what the options were, and they were not made for Sally, which it happens. I understand. So I'm not really like butthurt about it or anything. It's actually pretty good that I will use every single thing in this box except for one item, but I'm still using this because I'm including it in a future giveaway, which is still a use for me. I might even throw these lip masks into a giveaway too because I have no need for this. I think this was just an off month for FabFitFun, so I'm really looking forward to what they have in store for summer, and I hope it's better. I hope it's better. Are you subscribed to FabFitFun? What did you pick? How did you feel about the options for your customizations this season? I would love to know. If you want to roast a little bit, I would love to hear that too, because we all love a little bit of complaining, don't we? It's just harmless complaining. If you're not subscribed to FabFitFun, what do you think of my box? I thought it was underwhelming. Do you agree? And that is that. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending your time with me. Remember that y'all are my treasure. Find the beauty in every day, but most importantly, be kind to yourselves. I will see you in my next video. Bye.